And severe thunderstorms in the Metroplex right now. Chief Meteorologist McKenna King, I just have this vision from everybody from Burleson all the way up to North Denton. Everybody's looking out the west windows and going, whew, what a light show.
Is it headed my way yet? Yeah, and it is quite the light show. And in fact, let's give you a view of that light show. If we can pull up Skype 3, we've got our storm chaser Mike Prendergast. He is moving through the west sides of Johnson County, and it is quite the light show right through that area. Heavy rains moving into Johnson County. You'll notice that is an area that is included in a portion of that severe thunderstorm warning. But take a look at this. This is Mike driving through that heavy rain, and if you watch for long enough, it's those frequent lightning strikes moving right through that area. And really these heavy rains and these really strong winds are moving into those west-southwest sides of Johnson County, just headed into Cleburne at this point. So let's take a look back at the radar here. We've got some warnings to talk about. We've been talking about that warning moving through Denton and into Collin counties. Notice that now clips a portion of northern Dallas County as well. So let's take a look at this here. That is a severe thunderstorm warning, and we've got some strong winds moving through places like Little Elm, headed into Frisco, Prosper, and into McKinney, Plano. You're also going to start to feel some of those really strong gusty winds. We've got winds upwards of 60 to 65 miles per hour, and we've got sub-severe hail right through that area. Less than an inch-sized hail. We do still have hail in there, so you may hear that hitting the windows, hitting the roof, but it's really a wind threat that we're concerned about at this point. Then we've got this severe thunderstorm warning. This is for portions of Johnson County, but also includes portions of Bosque, Erath, Hood, and Somervell counties, where we've got hail upwards of an inch in diameter, 60-mile-per-hour winds through there as well. Wind damage is that primary threat we're going to be watching for as this cold front moves through North Texas and moves through the Metroplex. Timing-wise, it's moving through the Metroplex right now. That is going to be the case until about midnight, 1 a.m. Then it gets into the southeast sides of North Texas. That's after midnight until about 5 o'clock tomorrow morning. By that point, most of the severe weather threat is starting to wane. You'll notice it weaken as we head into the overnight hours and as it pushes farther to the southeast. But that heavy rain threat still going to be an issue for those far southeast sides of North Texas. This is 3 o'clock tomorrow morning. By that point, things are starting to exit. Threat's not quite done. The severe weather threat really will be. But as we get into Wednesday, the boundary is expected to stall, and we'll be looking at a few isolated leftover showers. And we've got meteorologist Jeff Ray to walk us through that.
McKenna, thank you. This is where we think the stationary front's going to be in the morning, give or take 40 miles. But you can see what happens when you add the daytime heating and a near stalled front. We're going to start seeing some thunderstorm activity, especially on the east side. So around the Metroplex, not so much, just some clouds, just a very humid day. But from Canton up towards the Red River and down south into Henderson County, this is where we could start seeing some slow moving storms, some very heavy rain. We're not expecting severe weather, but there could be some localized flooding. It all clears out as we get in the evening and lose daytime heating. Then we'll watch this, because this is Thursday day threat. It'll take a while, but across pretty much our northern counties through the afternoon, those thunderstorms coming out of the Texas Panhandle. That's the start of a weather pattern that's going to be with us for several days. Now, along the Red River, that's where the threat is Friday. Notice how it slides over the Red River on Saturday, and then it gets closer as the weekend goes on and we start next week, because the storm chances are sticking around. Unsettled weather is the story for the weekend ahead. It includes all the way into Monday, fact, and points beyond. This system comes racing down, and I think it might be more overnight rain as we go into Sunday, and then Sunday afternoon some bubbling up in the atmosphere. Then another round comes in for Monday morning, and then again on the wake of that, more isolated thunderstorms through the day. 7-day forecast, you can see these rain chances continue. The unsettled weather, the spring storm season, it's going to go on, we think, maybe all the way till mid-June.